June 23rd, 2023. What are we? 6:52 p.m. Look at these clouds. Yeah, I want to just take a quick little walk around here. Man, I have so much footage I can't keep up, everybody. Our skies are just crazy. That's west right there. Look at where our sun is. Looks like it's right back there. Huh. Real close northwest. Want to walk back. Yeah, I want to get a shot here. Look at that stuff. Yeah, I got a lot of footage. A lot. It's just going up. It's straight up, and I'm going to come down straight west. Go to the northwest. Right there. That's how close the sun's setting in the northwest. A little bit filmy. I can't see very good. So, yeah, let's go look at that east. There's my east guy. Big old roll cloud. Look at that roll cloud there going just. This thing, that structure in the east. Why people don't see that, I don't understand. I mean, our clouds used to be, I can't even find a normal one. Yeah, just white puffy clouds. You called it a sheep. Look at that sheep, or look at that duck, or stuff like that. But now it's all looks evil, demonic. Rumors of war, everything. The sun erupting, the CMEs, everything. We're just gonna look, everybody. It's crazy. Straight up. Yeah, it's crazy. Directly east. Walk over here so I get the north. Look at all the four-leaf clovers. Wow. Man, a lot of clovers, huh? Pretty. Let's get back to the north. I'm gonna go right about there. It's directly north. Just do like a turn around a little bit. Kind of just go up there and look at the roll cloud on the bottom. Like right all on here. Look how dark it is all up in here. Way too dark. Look at, you go up higher, it's even darker all up in here. Come down, now watch. It's a little bit lighter blue in here. A lot lighter blue right there. Go above this. Look how light blue here, everybody. We'll go from there. That's southeast. So let's go straight up southeast. See how blue the sky is? Look how dark it's getting up there. It's going straight up, just way too dark. And everything's just kind of going. Everybody check out, I believe it's Nibiru and Ominous. Associated with Sam Hoffman. Very good work. I believe in a lot of that. But yeah, let's take a little walk. I just wanted to come out here real quick. Oh, I'm going around. Wait. Just gotta slow down. Okay, everybody, like I say, that's my east. I'm just gonna go up. We'll come over a little bit. There's my southeast. And you can see the different color blue right there. You can see 2 shades of blue. You see the one down on the bottom right here. And you see how it gets darker right up in here. We always got these things, and they got all these trails that go with them. I say that's all debris, possible asteroid, whatever in there. This is all the stuff in our space. The bird I was trying to get. There he goes. He's gone. Oh, there are a couple of them. Anyways, let's walk out this way. I hope you guys don't mind my videos being long. The longer ones I'm going to do for premieres, like my drone or whatever. Walking directly south. If you guys look straight ahead, let me talk about it here. I don't want to do it out by the road. But that's the house. Oh, let me make it smaller. Then I'll zoom in. That's right where that car landed upside down last night. And this is my apartment. This is my apartment building. Look at that blue, man, it just amazes me. Man, I'll just walk out this way. Look at that, that's where that's where the car hit. I know they put a new gas pump and everything in. Let me make it smaller, everybody. I don't know why I walk with it like that. Zoom in when you get up there. Wow. Let's see if anything landed on the road up here. Or look for car tracks going in. So bear with me while I do that. See the house right there. Just gonna take a walk, see if I can see the tracks on the road where they went off the road. Yeah. But okay, if you guys look straight down the road, there's a street light way down there. I mean, it's probably a quarter mile from where I'm at. I will just walk back. I just want to look at the road and see if they left any kind of skid mark where they went down the road. Make it smaller. I was out with my wife earlier and I thought we saw skid marks. which would be going right here. They should have went by. Yeah. Man. And that car ended up that yard right there. Right in front of the porch. But I don't really see anything. So let's go back sky. Here's that. Yeah. I'll just come out here and film a minute. Oh. Man, look how dark that stuff is. It's like I'd call the whip, what Hush Puppy calls the whip, going across the sky. I'll ask him if he agrees, but that's what it reminds me of. Look how dark it is all back in here. And get back to the blues. Somewhere they get lighter down in here. Go up, they get darker. It's directly north from here. Northwest. Northwest, right there. The road runs west, everybody, so look. Let's go back on the road, see if I can get that. If I were to go down here. Okay, west. Right there. Where's the sun? Behind the trees right here. That's west. There you go. Now we'll just look back to the east. Look at that roll cloud I showed you guys earlier. Got a road cloud right there. Just going straight up. Man, look at this stuff. That stuff is just wild, man. Oh. Wanted to walk, huh? Wanted to walk?
No, I just wanted to see what you were doing.
Oh.
To see if you were going to come in.
I was looking at all
You
those
said
stuff.
you wasn't going to be out here very long.
I wasn't.
So, and I turned my phone off.
I'm sorry, I'm coming now. I know. Okay. Look at this stuff.
I know.
Especially if you take it and walk and look at it.
I don't want to, honey.
Well, that's what. Like there, looks like a sun.
Yep. left the back door open.
That's all right. Yeah, everybody, that's directly north.
Did you go out the back door?
I left it open to go back in.
That's what I came out too.
Oh, you left it on crack?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't hear it
Yeah.
shut.
Wow, look at that. Shit. Oh. Oh.
How you doing?
Good, Kevin. How you doing, man?
I'm alright, good.
How you liking it here?
It's
Let me pause this.
Yeah.
If you see me out here filming,
what you looking at?
I'm a sky watcher.
Oh, Skywasher?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel with like almost 6,000 subscribers
Oh, really?
where I
Yeah,
talk
he
about the
gets paid
sky.
for it,
Yeah,
so.
I get. So
Oh.
we're on right now, bro.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
So you've
Yeah.
been watching the skies
yeah, I
and
watch
everything.
sky.
Look
Yeah,
how
all the
beautiful it
colors,
is.
all the yeah.
Yeah.
And I want